Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Credit Karma step by step clearly. Visit the Credit Karma website or open the app on your device. If you don't already have an account, click on sign up to create one. Enter your personal details like your name, email, and a strong password. Verify your email address to activate your account. Log in to your Credit Karma account. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting tool section. Choose the budgeting option from the menu. Select Create a new budget to begin your budgeting process. Input your monthly income from all sources. Next, list your fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and insurance. Add variable expenses, including groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Set financial goals, like saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Credit Karma will help you categorize your expenses and give suggestions based on your financial habits. Review the recommended budget categories and adjust them if necessary. Once satisfied, save your budget. Monitor your budget regularly to track your expenses and stay on target. Adjust your budget as needed based on changes in income or expenses. Utilize Credit Karma's tools for insights on spending trends over time. Revisit your budget monthly to ensure you're meeting your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.